I'm Umar, Director of Tezlom Nottingham, and I head up the Nottingham office along with Thomas, who's our Business Development Executive.
Right, do you have like a secret handshake? Like some guys have like a secret.
We need to have a secret handshake.
With one now.
We need to have a secret handshake.
We don't actually have a handshake. It's normally me just being brummy. I'm like, all right mate, how was your weekend?
We can do with a... Yeah, we got a classic Brum handshake, this one. It's like he's back to being my age again, back in Birmingham with his boys. That's how he's feeling. What I got out of the conference today is really just seeing everybody struggles with the same issues here. I thought coming onto this as my age it might be challenging, but just seeing how everybody struggles with the same things, so we're all in this boat together, and just learning off other people with more experience than me, I found it really helpful.
I think personally, what you take away from here is that all the franchisees come across the same hurdles. Everybody's got different opinions on how they've got through them hurdles, and as a franchisee it's good to meet other franchisees as well, just to see how everyone's doing, whether we can share information, help each other out. And also I find that these kind of conferences are good because it gives us all motivation to kind of boost your business as well as much as you can. We're all in it together, we're all a team, and if you're not associating yourself with the same kind of people, it makes it a little bit harder as well.